Restoration is one of God's greatest works because it reveals His heart. God does not simply repair what is broken on the surface. He goes deeper. He renews what was damaged inside. He restores identity, purpose, faith, and hope. Where pain once lived, God brings healing. Where shame once ruled, God releases grace. Restoration is not God fixing a problem. It is God rewriting a story. When we look at our own lives, we often see broken pieces and assume they define us. We see failure and believe it disqualifies us. We remember our past and think it limits our future. But God does not see us through the lens of our mistakes. He sees us through the lens of redemption. What feels like the end to us is often the place where God begins His work. The Bible is filled with stories of restoration, not because people were perfect, but because God is faithful. Peter denied Jesus at his most painful moment, yet Jesus restored him with love and entrusted him with leadership. Naomi lost her family and her joy, yet God restored her hope and her future. The prodigal son returned home broken and ashamed, yet the father ran toward him, restoring him not as a servant, but as a son. Restoration has never been about deserving. It has always been about grace. Many people believe their past disqualifies them from God's plan. They believe they went too far, failed too deeply, or waited too long. But God is not intimidated by your past. He's not surprised by your mistakes. He's not limited by your failures. What the enemy tried to use to destroy you, God can use to strengthen you, mature you, and shape your character. Restoration does not always happen the way we expect. Sometimes God restores by changing circumstances, opening doors, healing relationships, providing new opportunities. Other times, God restores by changing us, renewing our minds, softening our hearts, and teaching us to trust again. But in every case, God never wastes pain. Every tear matters. Every struggle has purpose. God redeems what was lost. There are seasons when restoration feels slow, when healing feels incomplete, when progress feels invisible. But restoration is a process, not an event. God works patiently and intentionally. He rebuilds foundations before He reveals blessings, and even when you cannot see it yet, He is working faithfully. If you feel broken today, do not hide from God. Bring your heart to Him. Bring your doubts, your regrets, your fears, and your pain. God is not afraid of your brokenness. He specializes in it. He restores what others give up on. He renews what seemed beyond repair. God is a restorer, and He is not finished with you.